This video will show you how to navigate to the academic calendar where we'll review the pay schedule. What you'll want to do first from the CSU Stand homepage is go ahead and click on this magnifying glass in the top right corner of the web page, and that'll pull up the search bar. Go ahead and type into the search bar academic calendar, and then you'll want to go ahead and click on the first link that appears, which is a link that'll take you to the academic calendar web page. What you'll want to do from here is under this download a one-page academic year calendar title, you'll want to go ahead and click on the link for the academic year that applies for you. As of recording this video, we are currently in the 2021 to 2022 academic year. So by clicking on that link, it'll go ahead and pull up a PDF for the 2021 to 2022 academic year. We'll go ahead and we'll review the pay schedule. We'll go ahead and start with when your timesheet will be due. All timesheets are due 2 full business days from the last day of a month's pay period. How you'll be able to locate the last day of a month's pay period is by looking for this circle date. That'll usually be towards the end of each month, but not necessarily guaranteed to be the end of the month. And that has to do with how the CSU system sets up the academic calendar at large. So what you'll always want to do is count 2 full business days from this circle date, and that'll let you know when the due date for your timesheet is. So using March 2022 as an example, the last day of March's calendar pay period is March 30th because March 31st is a holiday. So we'll go ahead and count 2 full business days from March 30th, which will be April 1st. Then we won't count the weekend because they aren't actual work days. And then the next business day will be April 4th, that Monday. So if you were working hours in March of 2022, then those hours would be due by 11:59 p.m. on Monday, April 4th. As long as your hours are submitted by that deadline, your pay will be issued on time. However, if you do submit your time late, there is a possibility that your paycheck will be issued late. So you'll just want to make sure that you do submit your time on time. As far as when your pay will be issued, all the hours that you do work in March will be issued in April. Specifically, pay will be on the 15th of each month, as indicated by this little dot above the 15. The only time payday wouldn't be on the 15th of each month would be if the 15th fell on a Saturday, in which case pay would be on Friday the 14th. Or if the 14th and 15th make up the weekend, then pay would be on Monday the 16th instead. Payroll will be sending out email notifications on the last day of the pay period, as well as on payday to provide you reminders of each of those days. So with the last day of the pay period, they'll let you know when that day is, as well as when to make sure you have your hours in by. And then for payday, they'll let you know when pay is, as well as when, where, and how to pick up your paycheck if you are picking up paper checks. We do offer direct deposit on campus. However, because it does take 30 to 90 days to fully process, your first paycheck will guaranteed be a live paper check that will need to be picked up. If picking up your paycheck isn't ideal for any reason, we do offer a mailing as an option. However, for more information on getting your paycheck mailed to you, I definitely recommend reaching out to our payroll staff. And if you do have any other questions or concerns regarding your pay or your timesheet, anything like that, definitely don't hesitate to reach out to our payroll department, and they'll be able to answer any questions or concerns you might have.